warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Hidayah Najwa binti Syaruddin and my metric number is AE190039. And I'm going to do activity 2, current simulation and calculation. Okay, now we are going to connect the circuit for emitter before load. First, we need DC voltage source, which is battery, and a resistor. And we need a DC emitter. We set the DC emitter to milliampere and we connect the circuit. Okay, after that we set the first R value, which is 100 ohm, and the input voltage 10 volt. Then we run. We get the first one is 99.9 milliampere for 100 ohm. Then we change the value to 150 ohm. We get 66.6 milliampere. Next, 200 ohm. We get 50 milliampere. And last one is 300 ohm. We get 33.3 milliampere. Okay, next is for DC emitter after load. We put emitter after load. Okay, after we connect the circuit, we change the emitter to milliampere. And we set the first value to 100 ohm. We get 99.9 milliampere for 100 ohm. Next is 150 ohm. We get 66.6 milliampere. 200 ohm. 50 milliampere. And last one, 300 ohm. 33.3 milliampere. So that's all. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Shahira binti Rahmat, metric number AE200019, and I will present for activity 3. This is the simulation of activity 3. So first we form the circuit. We use a DC voltage source, and then we have a resistor, one resistor that labeled as R1. Next, we add another resistor in the circuit, and the resistor is connected in series with R1, which is labeled as R2. And then we connect the resistor to the DC voltage source. And then to measure the voltage drop at the load, we use a DC voltmeter. And the DC voltmeter is connected in parallel with the load. Then we set the value of the voltage to 10 volt, the value of R1 to 200 ohm, R2 to 100 ohm, and then we run the simulation, and we got the value of the voltage drop is 6.67 volt and 3.33 volt. Next, we change the value of R2 to 150 ohm, and we run the simulation, and we got the value of the voltage drop is 5.71 volt and 4.29 volt. Next, we change the value of R2 to 200 ohm. We run the simulation and got that the value of the voltage drop is 5 volt and 5 volt. Next, the last one we change to 300 ohm. We run the simulation and we got the value of voltage drop at R1 is 4 volt and at R2 is 6 volt. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and good day. My name is Nordania binti Azaman with metric number AE190066. Okay, I will explain about the activity 4, which is voltage and current simulation and calculation. So here is the circuit diagram. So for now, I have to develop a circuit into the software which is produced. Firstly, we must add the battery. Then we add the resistor. Then we add the voltmeter. Then we add the ammeter. And then we connect the circuit. And then we set the value. Here we must change it into the unit milliampere. So we run. Okay. Here is the output. So the output of U is for the voltmeter. This is U. And for I is the ammeter. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you.